Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In this continuation, we'll explore essential tips and considerations for safe towing with your Toyota Highlander. From weight distribution to braking systems, we'll cover everything you need to know to ensure a smooth and secure towing experience. If you're ready to elevate your towing game and hit the road with confidence, let's dive right in. Trailer weight and size. The weight and size of the camper play a significant role in determining whether it is compatible with the towing capacity of a Toyota Highlander. Exceeding the recommended weight limit can lead to strain on the vehicle's engine, transmission, and brakes, compromising safety and performance. It's essential to stay within the specified towing limits provided by Toyota for the Highlander model you have. When selecting a camper, pay close attention to its weight and dimensions to ensure they align with the vehicle's towing capabilities. Aerodynamics and wind resistance. The aerodynamics and wind resistance of a camper can directly impact the fuel efficiency and stability of the towing vehicle. A camper with poor aerodynamic design can result in increased wind drag, reducing fuel economy and adding current stress to the vehicle's engine. When choosing a camper for a Toyota Highlander, look for models with sleek and aerodynamic profiles. Selecting a camper that aligns with the Highlander's aerodynamic capabilities can contribute to a smoother towing experience, enhancing overall performance and fuel efficiency. Choosing a camper that matches the towing capacity and capabilities of the Toyota Highlander involves careful consideration of trailer weight, size, aerodynamics, and wind resistance. By prioritizing these factors, you can optimize the towing experience and ensure the safety and efficiency of your travels with a camper in tow. Towing safety tips and best practices. When towing a camper with your Toyota Highlander, it's crucial to prioritize safety and follow best practices to ensure a smooth and secure towing experience. Let's delve into essential tips to enhance towing safety and address the key considerations for maintaining your vehicle's performance while towing a camper. Driving techniques and considerations. Driving with a camper in tow requires a mindful approach to handling your Toyota Highlander. Pay close attention to braking distances, allowing for a longer stopping distance due to the increased weight. When accelerating, do so gradually to prevent straining the engine and maintain stability. Navigating different terrains necessitates adjusting your speed and approach, particularly when traversing inclines and declines. Uphill climbs may require a slower pace to avoid overwhelming the engine, while cautious descents are essential to prevent potential loss of control. Please drop a comment below. A thumbs up if it's hitting the spot, and don't forget to share with friends who might also this, and hit that subscribe button for more. Let's continue. Maintenance and pre-towing checks. Regular maintenance is paramount when using your Toyota Highlander for towing purposes. Ensure that the vehicle is up to date with scheduled maintenance, including oil changes, tire inspections, and brake checks. Additionally, perform pre-towing checks, such as assessing tire pressure, verifying the condition of the brakes, and confirming that the tail lights, brake lights, and turn signals are all functioning properly. These proactive measures help preempt potential issues and optimize your vehicle's performance while towing a camper, promoting a safer and more enjoyable journey. Real-life experiences and testimonials. Have you ever wondered what it's like to tow a camper with a Toyota Highlander? Let's hear from real Toyota Highlander owners who have taken on the adventure of towing a camper. Their experiences and testimonials provide valuable insights and practical recommendations for anyone considering a similar journey. Overcoming challenges. For many Highlander owners, towing a camper was a new and exhilarating experience. One owner shared how they initially grappled with the idea of whether their Highlander could handle the load. The anxiety of towing a camper for the first time was a common sentiment among the owners we spoke to. However, as they gained confidence and familiarized themselves with the towing process, they overcame these initial challenges. Insights and recommendations. Owners shared valuable insights and recommendations for towing a camper with a Toyota Highlander. From selecting the appropriate towing equipment to understanding weight capacities, their experiences shed light on crucial factors to consider. Many emphasize the importance of conducting thorough research on towing capabilities and seeking professional advice when necessary. Success stories. Despite the challenges, these Highlander owners expressed their satisfaction with the towing capabilities of their vehicles. One owner described the seamless handling and stability while towing a camper, highlighting the reliable performance of their Highlander. Additionally, they found the spacious interior and comfortable ride to be significant advantages during their camping trips. Final thoughts. The real-life experiences and testimonials from Toyota Highlander owners illustrate the practical aspects of towing a camper with this vehicle. Their accounts provide valuable tips and recommendations for those considering embarking on similar adventures. Hearing from fellow owners who have successfully towed campers with their Highlanders offers reassurance and practical insights for anyone considering this endeavor. After exploring the towing capabilities of the Toyota Highlander and discussing the key factors to consider when towing a camper, it's clear that the Toyota Highlander is a versatile and capable vehicle for towing. With its impressive towing capacity, stability features, and powerful engine options, the Toyota Highlander is a reliable choice for those looking to embark on camping adventures with a camper in tow. Before hitting the road, readers need to assess their specific towing needs and ensure that the camper they plan to tow falls within the recommended towing capacity of the Toyota Highlander. By doing so, they can enjoy peace of mind and a smooth towing experience, making the most of their camping trips with the Toyota Highlander. Happy towing! As we conclude our series on towing with the Toyota Highlander, we hope the tips and considerations discussed in Part 2 help you tow your camper safely and confidently. Remember, safety should always be your top priority when towing. Until next time, happy trails and take care. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.